What is your problem?
Mask.
What happened?
What happened to the mask?
Sorry, stole my mask.
No!
Okay, guys, right now we're going inside the tunnel. It's
Okay, Nia, are you enjoying the pool or not?
what?
Are you? Yes, we are waiting for a train ride just for fun. Nothing. అలా గైస్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి అరౌండ్ 116 మైల్స్ ఉంటుంది వర్జినియా బీచ్. సో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం డైరెక్ట్గా. అరౌండ్ 1 hour 50 minutes పడుతుంది. సో చూద్దాం, మధ్యలో ఒక్కొక్కసారి ట్రాఫిక్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఈరోజు ఫ్రైడే కాబట్టి. ఇక్కడి నుంచి అంటే రిచ్మండ్ నుంచి నార్ఫోక్ ఏరియా వర్జినియా బీచ్కి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ అనమాట.
Okay, guys, right now we're going inside the tunnel. It looks really cool.
And the tunnel goes under the water of Atlantic. You can show this where the water is on both sides and above the tunnel. Guys, the beauty of Virginia Beach. Mana Neptune. Always busy. the swimming pool.
And he told us it was like open and then
Okay, Nia, are you enjoying the pool or not?
what?
Are you enjoying the pool or not for the subscribers?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Neil!
I actually bring my mask into the pool and I tripped.
Neil, why are you using all this pool for yourself?
Nobody else is in it.
Ooh. ఇది ఫిట్నెస్ సెంటర్ ఇక్కడ.
I never knew a device like this existed, and if I did, I would have just purchased it a long time ago.
That's kind of crazy how I felt like this like big like
ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్ బాగా వస్తుంటాయి. See the tram. We are waiting for a train ride just for fun. Nothing fancy. $4.50 for a one-entire day train ride. And kids, they come in free. Okay, guys, this is the ticket for light rail. And the trams laga manaki $4.50 for entire day. And my daughter Swara helped me to get the ticket because I'm a little bit. Neil, what do you think? Who stole the
Who stole the what?
mask?
Oh, you did.
Okay, you guys can apologize.
In the safety of others, face coverings are required to be worn over the mouth and nose while using HRT services. Thank you for your cooperation.
Nia, this is the first HRT on the road train.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Good?
Yeah.
Swara, is this your first HRT? How are you feeling? Good.
This is MacArthur's first station.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that big building.
The MacArthur Square,
Look at that big building up there to the right.
the Marriott. That's a Marriott. This is the Saffron place. Beautiful Indian restaurant. Nice music. వర్జినియా ఆర్ట్స్ ఫెస్టివల్కి ఇక్కడ జాకీర్ హుస్సేన్ వస్తున్నారు. ట్యూస్డే April 13th. Okay, Neil, how is your mango lassi? Can you please tell?
It's very good.
It's very good. Who is the another person getting mango lassi? Can I see the face, please?
No, hold on. I haven't drank mine yet.
Okay, but I just want to see the face when you are I want to take the face when you are drinking.
It's good.
It's good.
Really.
Our food arrived. I have my Kerala curry,
to wear my mask like this.
dal tadka, roti and naans, butter naan, basmati rice, soups. What is yours, sir?
This is paneer makka.
Paneer makhani.
Makkan.
What is your problem?
Mask.
What happened?
What happened to the mask?
Sorry, stole my mask.
No! Guys, this is unfair. I never steal anything, and these guys, Neil and Swara, always blame me because.
Can I have a cap real quick?
And they already searched my pockets, and also I have to get up and dance also to show that I'm an innocent guy. There is some.
He's still not innocent. He's lying.
I'm not lying.
He's such a liar.
Why are you saying I'm a liar? You stole my
Because
things.
no, he was okay. We were searching him, and he was like, "I was trying to trick you guys." So he doesn't want us to find the mask.
Really?
Yeah.
You searched my pockets.
What
You
are
made
you
me
feeling,
dance. Get up, dance
Anxious.
to get your mask.
Find it.
Wait. Watch this, guys.
And Neil keeps hitting me with stuff.
Guys, watch this. Masky.
Who is the mask thief?
Masky. See now she's sad.
I think we should call 911 and report to the police. There is a mask thief.
I am the police.
Guys, where is the
hired
mask
you?
thief? You hide yourself
Yeah.
There's no way a police department hired you.
because he is the real mask thief. Sorry. He is the real mask thief.
He's just trying to
I
blame
think we three are fighting and Amma might be the real mask thief.
me.
He stole your hat.
Is that here?
I gave it back. Yeah, when I steal something, I give it back soon. When he steals something, he'll give it back when the plan is
I never steal.
So what are your feelings, Svara, about masking?
Mask. I guess I'm scared we won't find it, or if someone actually did steal it.
No. Why are you looking at me?
How many of my things have you stolen in the past?
Past is past. Won't people get second chances?
No.
You got a 15th chance. Counting.
This is a shame on me. I'm upset. I'm leaving the.
Guys,
You
I think this mask being lost was a blessing in disguise.
Why?
Because you're leaving.
People are happy that I'm leaving.
No, we're so
I'll
sad.
block all the
Svara,
credit
are
cards.
you what about the mask being lost and daddy leaving? Which one do you feel more sad?
Mask being lost, for sure.
What? Lazy.
Mama.
He cares about a mask more than Nana.
Nobody cares about me. People care about mask more than me. So this is my final decision. I'm leaving.
Yeah.
You